What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another not Plants vs. Zombies. It's not Plants vs. Zombies. Welcome back to another Battlecast video. Let's go. So, if you guys don't know already, so Battlecast is this thing. I don't know how long ago, but so basically, so there was this thing called the outcats. So basically they took over like battle cats and everything. They will only give it back if they added battle cats added one of them into the game, like kind of I don't know. So people could vote for which one they wanted. And so let me just pull up the video. Yeah, so here it is.
My friends and I have acquired 100 million cat food cans.
Yeah, so...
Why, you ask? 9 years ago, we were ruthlessly rejected by the battle cats. They took our dignity, so we're taking their cans. We are justice. We are the outcasts.
Scary.
Sorry,
Buddy?
It's supposed to be outcats?
Bro.
Oh, I get it. Play on words. We are the outcats. It's time we claim our revenge.
It's taken to... Alright. So, yeah, here, so... Yeah, so the trash cat won. So, they announced it would be coming spring 2024. Guess what time it is? It is spring 2024. And let's just go into the missions real quick. Cat unit reward. Clear the mystery package stage. Cat unit reward. Trash cat. We are doing that right now. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Mystery package. Sender unknown. Alright. We are coming to steal your trash. That sounds weird. Oh, scary. It's one of these stages. All right, wait. What the heck? Wait, the box doge. All right, bro. Lose HP already, brother. Come on, bro. All right, send everything. Go. Oh, he's fighting back. He's doing like no damage though. Okay. Oh, that was very easy. Yo. All right. Now, trash cat. Let's go, guys. Let's go, bro. All right, we're trash cat. Won over fans to emerge as the top outcat, despite the stench, which isn't that bad. Anyhow, massive damage area attacks versus zombies. Yo, zombie killer, soul strike, area attack, massive damage. Ooh, wait, no, we gotta upgrade. Wait, no, yeah. Okay, let's upgrade him. Upgrade my boy, mimic cat. Moving into a chest has made them feel more treasured. Remains unopened due to lingering stench. Massive damage, area attacks. Tough versus zombies. Okay. I was expecting like a dumpster cat or something. Oh yeah, we can get a cat ticket because we got him to level 10. All right, let's see. Trash cat. Yes. Look at him, bro. Oh. Alright. Mimic cat. He stole some cat tickets, maybe? I don't know. I don't really know. Oh. Shiny. Nice. Okay. Should we try him out on a zombie stage, guys? Let's do it. Okay. Let's try out Trash Cat, aka Mimic Cat. Alright, let's go. Alright. A new foe has appeared. Send out Macho Cat. He'll bury himself into the ground. Because he's just like that, apparently. Alright. Send out the boy. Yes! Let's go! Bro, this guy's OP. And, come on. Dump yourself with all your loot. Boom! Alright, we need to take care of these zombies, bro. Back up. Buddy. Yeah, get out of here. Need more. Oh, God. They are approaching. Not to worry. Oh, my. Okay, they are back. They're back for more. Get out of here, buddy. Come on. No. Dang it. Yes! Let's go. Alright. Come on. It reminds me of that, like, Whopper cat. Remember that? What's his name? Yes! Let's go. Korea outbreak. Alright. Let's go to chapter 2. Alright. Oh. Ooh, Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. Alright, trash cat. Oh, dang. Oh, no. It's bad, guys. Wait. Alright. Ready? Boom. Bro really just missed. Alright, send out the trash cat. Oh, I love that, bro. Get out of here. I'm scared a new foe is going to appear. Bro, that is actually insane, dude. That is, like, actually really good. Alright, go! Trash cat. Yes! Bro, that is actually insane. That is crazy. Oh, dang. There's a penguin. Not to worry. We have trash cats. Of course. Why wouldn't we? Things are OP. Come on. Come on, trash cat. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy you just did that. Bro. Oh, no. That is messed up. Alright. We're sending him in. Come on, trash cat. We just need his whatever to hit. We need him to hit attack. It's devastating if we... Dang it. Oh, no. We are getting pushed up against our base. Not to worry. We have trash cat. We're going to lose. Woo! Oh, my gosh, bro. That's actually insane. Sheesh. I just had to say it. Come on. Attack the seal. Yes, we knocked him back. All right. Can we win? Can we for real win this? Oh, yes. Oh, no. Not the elephant. All right, we cleared it out with the trash cat, baby. Trash cat is OP. Guys, if you have trash cat, he's really easy to get. Get him as soon as you can, bro. But he's a limited unit, I think. Oh, shoot. Bro, get out of here. Yeah. We'll send him in, just because I can. Boom. Okay. I think our troops up here can handle things. Shoot. Come on, trash cat. Do your job. Bro is for real that guy. Trash cat is for real that guy, man. Shoot. Alright, this is bad. This is like very bad. Come on. Come on. Okay, we got rid of one of the seals. I like how trash cat just immediately just destroys it. Come on. Oh, shoot. Right, we got rid of the other seal. He comes back after a little bit though. Not to worry. We just need more trash cats out here. Come on. Woo! Bro, not another one. Come on. Bro, we're getting pushed up against our base too much. We might win though. Who knows? Bro, get out of here. You are not that guy. Bro, Trash Cat is actually insane. Like, bro. Bro, try this guy out on zombie outbreaks. Like, bro. Guy's insane. Oh, God. Alright, another seal. Another day. Another Trash Cat. Another seal. Another day. And another Trash Cat. Shoot! That was more on the not so good side. My own guy. Oh no. Bro! We need to upgrade him. Yeah! Alright, I got him to level 20. Because I can. And yes! Alright, before we end this video off, let's do some cat tickets. Alright, boom. Got Cat Cannon Charge. Cat. Alright. Rare tickets. Royal Best. What the heck is this? What is this? Should we try it? Or should we save our tickets? Alright. We'll try it. We'll try it. Let's see what we get. Figure skating cats. Let's try again. Why not? Boom. And thief cat. Alright. That is going to do for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Trash Cat glory. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.